This is my take on the trending latte makeup look. So this is take 2 of this video. I'm not going anywhere, so we're just here creating content. For this video, I'm going to be using the Morphe 3502 palette, and for our transition shade, I don't think this palette is being produced anymore, but it's what I'm gonna use. For our transition shade, I'm going to go into Universal, and I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush. My brush is dirty because this is the second time I'm redoing this video. Bear with me. So if you have hooded eyes, you know you have to go above the fold. For this look, we're going to go with the light brown shades. We're going to start from light to dark. I forgot. I wanted to have that sharp finish. So, just like in take 1, I forgot to put the tape. But it is what it is. So. We are going to go into Universal until you reach your desired outcome, Tap it on and then blend. Universal almost looks like the same shade as the setting powder that I used to set my concealer, which is also not a problem. So for the crease shade, we're just going to go over to, for the crease shade, we're going to go into Flux. And I'm also using a fluffy brush. We're going to go into Flux, which is a little bit a darker shade of brown. And you're going to, if you have eyes like mine, you see where there's the fold, that's where you want to put Flux. So. The reason I'm using circular motions is because I want it to be visible when I also do this. You see? So you tap it on like so. Then using circular motions just to blend. Holding the brush at the end so as to create this softness, So we are introducing some warmth into our latte look. So for the outer V, we're going to go in with the Rich. From the name itself, from the name itself, it's a deep shade. So we're going to go in with Rich. I'm excited. I want to tap off the excess, and Rich is going to go to our outer V. First, you just want to tap it on. So this is just my own twist on the latte look. my own take on it. If you love makeup, I'm sure this look ain't new to you. If you've been applying makeup and you love playing around with makeup, it's just this latte look. It's just it's trending, and maybe you might think it's something different, but it's not. It's just renaming this brown bronze look from before. So just put your own spin on it. Don't stress. And depending on your own preference, if you want to wear it matte, you can. If you want to wear it like with a shimmer, you can. So for the lid shade, what are we going with for the lid shade? For the lid shade, we're going to go in with tan. This brush is too thick. I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetic brush in number 5, and I'm going to go into tan, and tan is going to be our lid shade. It's a flat brush, but it's a little bit thick. Because I want to make sure I put it all over my lid, like so. Ooh. It's a little bit warm, huh? Okay. Tan is a little bit warm. It has gone a little bit darker, but let's first apply it and see. I was actually intending on my latte look is going to be browns, and it's going to be a matte because that's what I like. The reason I did it this way is because there's still another video where I didn't want to repeat the same look, and once you see the other video, this is going to upload first, and the other video is going to upload later, and once you see it, you'll get it. You'll get as to why I did it more with lighter shades of brown than with darker shades. And what I also love most about this look, like right now, is that you can add a shimmer on it, you know, like you can wear this like during the day, and then take your makeup with, touch it up if you have to do something in the night, and then, you know, just add shimmer on top. Or these there are these small like shadows that you can buy, and then you just like tap onto it. I'm going to take the brush that I used on Rich, and I'm going to just blend so that there's no line of demarcation. I haven't added any product to the brush. I just using the rest of the product. And then I'm gonna go back to the brush that I used on tan and also do the same to get rid of that line of demarcation. Like so. What I'm gonna do next is I'm going to take this smudging brush from Real Techniques, and I'm going to go into brunette. Brunette is darker than Rich, and taking brunette, top off the excess. Let me pull my eye like this. I'm gonna use brunette as my brown eyeliner, And just the way, like how you would apply eyeliner, I'm just gonna smudge brunette. Oh my god, what the fuck? That's from outside. Shots. What is that? The last time I had such a thing, there was a place where they sell gas and it was exploding. The gas bottles were exploding. Then we're going to go back. So I just I used brunette to smudge my eyeliner, because once again, when you look at the latte look, most of the people are using this brown eyeliner. I don't have a brown eyeliner, so yeah, we're gonna use the eyeshadow. For this look, the look is more neutral nude, nude lip. Okay, a brown or nude lip with lip gloss, but I said I'm taking the matte way, so I'm going to take NYX Lingerie in the shade After Hours. That's our lip shade. Love it, love it, love it for me. So it's like an overlined look. So that's what I'm trying to do. As we wait for this to kind of dry down, I'm going to go and finish my eyes. So I'm going to first go in with Rich, and I'm gonna apply Rich. Okay, first of all, because I have like small eyes, you can go, if you have like a brown eyeliner, you can go with a brown eyeliner on your waterline. I don't have one. I'm going to go in with the black on my waterline. I believe, or I've realized that black kind of just opens my eyes more. So there I have, do you notice the difference? Like once I put the black eyeliner on my waterline, do you notice how much my eyes like pop open? I do. Then I'm going to go into Rich, and I'm just going to go underneath and just blend. Ta-da! Let's set it. You can tell me nothing. Oh. Ay, Mugu. Ohukulu. Ohukulu. Baba. This is the complete look. This is my take on the trending latte makeup look. Leave your comment down below if I've nailed it or not, if you like the twists that I've put in mine or not, if you'd prefer like a shimmer on it or not. And if you actually do try this look and put your own twist, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. Okay, so if you've reached this far and you like what you see, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.